Hi class, welcome to IS485 and 585. I'm Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we continue on chapter 9, uh, Organization Change and Business Process or Reengineering BPR. So let's take a look at some of the methodology for BPR. As you all know, business process engineering uh, requires, for example, as in this is basically technically what is the existing procedure for a company. Could be work work process, what's the procedure of the work, and with ERP implementation, this is next we have the to be, what is going to be, what will be the next stage of this process. And having said that, there is a need for testing and measurement. Next, take a look at BPM or Business Process Management. Business process management is technically it's, it's an asset that's being processed, and this is optimized to make it more excellent and business more agility. And it employs policies, method, and matrices. Having said that, let's compare the two, BPR and BPM. Here we have BPR, and on the left side, technically is to aims to eliminate human intervention. Okay, indirectly to optimize the process, and also downsizing the organization, minimizing human interface. As for VPM, okay, is more of improvement at a small pace for the process, and also understanding the information, for example, the system needs between people, interaction and dependency. Next, take a look at the best practice. BPM here helps managers to understand the process and make it more efficient. So it requires separation. Technically here we have a human intensive process where it's more on knowledge work, where every process requires thinking prior processing the work or the procedure, and also a sensitive intensive process where it could be processes that do not require any human intervention. In this case, it could be logistic, accounting, right? Which is they are dealing with numbers, which quite straightforward. So next, take a look at the example of here we have an ordering system where, for example, organization sends the order, okay, and order received and verified, okay, at the same time it's being updated, okay, order filled, merchandise supply, ship, and then billed to customer, and payment received. Right. This is basically a typical example that we use in most organization. Right. Next, we take a look at the Dell, okay, where the procedure of Dell, as we all know, sell computer online, and they don't have a store actually. And when the customer purchase, they will do a credit analysis of the customer as they log in, okay, and at the same time approve or deny, okay, and next, customer billing, this for the invoice, okay, and to be mailed. And next, cash application, account receivable, this could be by credit card or bank transfer. And next, collection, where items being collected, and not only item and payment also. And finally, posting and reporting of payment. Okay. So the benefit, it assists in communication and also synchronizing of the workflow process, which make it more productivity. Employee become more efficient as they look through the procedure process. At the same time, it minimize costs, okay? And also it makes the employee feel better and improve the workflow. Major features BPM. Here we have process modeling and simulation, okay, where procedure could be designed and automated. Okay, we have system integration, okay, integration between different processes, user interaction, collaboration. Okay, here we have a web form, okay, where they can fill up and it's automated. Process execution and monitoring. Okay, at the same time, task could be tracked. The 4 R's, we have rules, relationship, rules, and routing, where different user you have different roles. Relationship, interaction between the processes, rules, basically steps to be followed. Routing is basically e-document. Right? So lastly, implication of management. Then again, we talk about senior management being involved. Okay. OMP3 require skill set in order to it to be successful, and also at the same time there is a need for to be transparent in communication and continuous change in BPM. So that's pretty much it for the class today. If you have any question, feel free to email me, set an appointment. Thanks, stay safe, bye.